Hello Situ, welcome to the Spires Apartments in Glasgow. I'm Craig and I'm going to show you around our penthouse today. Come on, follow me. The first room I'm going to show you is the lounge. As you can see, it's huge. There's plenty of space in here. The apartment sleeps up to 6 people, so there's plenty of seating for that. You've got your sofas, you've got your TV, and obviously you've got this beautiful view across the city, which on a day like today, it couldn't get any better. I'll maybe come back when it's sunny. Ah, there you are. Come and see the kitchen. I thought you got lost for a minute because the apartment is so huge. The lounge sweeps through into this massive kitchen. Island in the middle. It's got everything you should need to make whatever you want. When you're traveling, yeah, it's great to go out and eat in restaurants every night, but sometimes you just want to eat in. You've got hob, you've got all the cutlery, crockery that you need. Every apartment has a washer dryer. You've got your refrigerator, you've got a dishwasher, everything's here. And maybe if you want to entertain in the evening, you've also got the dining table where you can get some friends across. A wee tip for you, why not make an online grocery delivery? We deliver to the apartments prior to your arrival, and then we'll make sure it's in the fridge waiting for you for when you get here. In terms of ensuite bedrooms, this apartment's got 1, 2, 3 spacious bedrooms. It's 25 apartments in total. It's a mixture of 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. We're able to accommodate guests from 1 person in a 1 bedroom apartment right up to 6 people. This is a fantastic location. We're in an area called the Merchant City, which is quite a well-known part of Glasgow. It's really vibrant, there's loads of bars, there's restaurants, cafes, everything is there on our doorstep. But also in terms of communications, it's fantastic as well. We're a short walk from Queen Street Station, we're a short walk from Central Station, so if you're travelling by train, it's literally 5 minutes walk from both of these stations. The bus station is less than that from here. If you're coming in from the airport, there's a regular bus service goes straight into the bus station as well. So again, getting here is so easy.
Craig, it has been absolutely fantastic today. Thank you so much for your time and taking me around all the wonderful apartments that you have here in Glasgow.
No problem at all. And thank you for coming to Glasgow on, I would say, a lovely sunny day, but unfortunately you didn't bring the weather with you. But no, it's great to see you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, and thank you for joining us.